Falguni from SmartMove2UK. How can I help you?
What is the easiest way to get UK visa? Ma'am, what is the easiest way to get UK visa?
Same question again? Let's talk about it. Let's talk about it. What is the easiest way to get UK visas? Hello, I'm Falguni Y Parekh. I'm a solicitor and founder at the SmartMove2UK, and I advise on UK immigration and nationality laws for the last 15 years. I have represented clients from 26 countries and dealt with thousands of applications, so you are sure that you would get the correct answer to know what is the easiest way to get the UK visas. I think the first and the most important thing is to do your assessment of your eligibility. I see 1 in 4 applications getting refused because they were not being assessed correctly. It's very important to have your assessment properly in place before you make an application. For instance, in my recent conversation with one of my clients, actually qualifying for a dependent visas for UK and was been advised to do an application for spouse visas, ended up waiting for 24 weeks, spending a very high amount towards the government fee, and was been refused with just one line saying you applied under the wrong category. So do you understand that this would be a very important stage when you start an application at an inception to do your assessment? This could be vice versa as well. So very important, as these categories have very fine lines on how do you qualify, and therefore you need to get a correct assessment done for your eligibility. Once you've determined the eligibility, make sure you give them all the supporting documents. You need to provide all documents that will qualify you when you're making a visa application. The mantra here is don't assume. The third important thing, provide relevant information. It's very important that the applicant provides relevant information when completing their application form. This is particularly seen when the clients miss out to mention about the previous immigration histories, or they miss out on giving information about any civil or criminal matters against them, and any kind of charges against them, or they have missed out to mention about their previous relationships, etc. All of these mistakes are very deterrent, and therefore it's very pertinent that you provide a complete and relevant information in support of your application. Paying appropriate fee is a very important step when completing your UK visa application. I come across so many refusals that has happened merely because the applicant failed to pay the fees. Be mindful, there are a lot of fees to be paid for certain categories, like you have the government fee, you have IHS fee payments. There could be other charges that you may have to be paying for your category of application. As an applicant, you have to make sure you've done all the payments and you're not getting refused because the government fees or any charges that you were to pay to them has not been paid. It's very important that you do all the fee payment. I hope these tips have helped you to complete your application, and this is the easiest way to get the UK visas. To watch more such valuable videos, do follow us on our YouTube channel, and let us know in the comment box if you need us to speak on any particular topic that you have in your mind, and we definitely will consider that. Thank you very much for watching this. Bye-bye.